Good afternoon, folks, and this is Ivan Wyke. I'm with Bud Communications Limited Liability Company, and our company specializes in workplace mediation, arbitrations, and workplace investigation. We also offer some consulting and training services. We tend to get a lot of the same question every time we speak with someone in the general public, and they ask, what exactly is involved in mediation? Well, to begin with, mediation is a creative way to resolve some disputes, and the most common ones we get are coworker disputes and employee relations, as well as some consumer law and business transactions. Mediation begins with the parties contacting us for mediation. We then vet the case to make sure that the case is suitable for mediation and that the parties understand what mediation is all about and that they become comfortable with the mediator. Remember, mediation is voluntary and it is also a confidential process, which we will go over as we progress. Okay, so now this is a typical mediation room setup. You have a table, the mediator sits in the middle, and you have either a whiteboard and or a flip chart. And this is so that you can put down a list of items that you wish to discuss during the mediation. This brings up a good point. Mediation is a confidential process, and that means that anything that is said in mediation is confidential, and in many cases it is privileged. This allows the party to freely discuss what is on their mind without their words coming back to hurt them. Okay, so when we begin a mediation, we follow a roadmap for a conversation. Some people look at it as an agenda. In one sense, it is an agenda, but overall, it is a roadmap for a conversation. At the top of the roadmap, the mediator begins with the mediator's opening statement, where they go over the purpose of a mediator, the roles and duties, and they also take care of any housekeeping items. Next is the parties get to provide an opening statement in which they are given uninterrupted time to explain why they are at mediation and what they hope to get out of the mediation. After each party is done speaking, the mediator will do what is referred to as reflective listening to make sure that they have an understanding of what was said. The next step is the mediator will then ask clarifying questions to find the common ground and to understand the conflict even more. Next, the parties will then create a list of items that they wish to discuss. This has been previously referred to as building an agenda. It is actually just choosing a list of what you wish to discuss, and both parties have to agree upon what is to be discussed. The next element is negotiations, where each party can put forth an offer to resolve the conflict. Each party will first make an offer, and the other party can either accept the offer, reject the offer, or make a counteroffer. And then finally, the parties put together a settlement agreement drafted in their own language. When the settlement agreements are signed, if there are any, then the mediator will go over the final next steps and will issue a generalized closing, thanking them for their efforts today, and may also offer other services that they may wish to consider. In addition to mediation, arbitration, and investigations, Bud Communications now offers a notary public service. When we have a notary public available, you will see a pop-up such as this on our website. Follow the instructions to reach us by phone. For more information about Bud Communications, mediation, and other services we provide, please visit us at our website at budcommllc.com.